Hello everybody, it's Donna from Enchanted Gardens, and I just wanted to enrich your knowledge with a little bit more information. I'm not sure that all of my lovely followers who are gardeners and nature lovers know what I would regard as a good predator is. So if we do it a bit like a, oh no, that's showing I'm really old. I was just imagining, do you remember in the 80s when it used to be Top of the Pops and they used to have the #1 slot and the #2 slot? I was just going there, but I'll stop that immediately. Okay, so 7, I don't know too much about pirate bugs, but apparently a pirate bug is a good predator to have in our garden. I'll leave you to Google that one. Now, number 6 is hoverflies, and we all know I adore hoverflies. They are the little flies that can just hover and not move anywhere in the garden. Now, they are, as well as being pollinators, they are good predators too. And remember, there's lots and lots of different sizes and shapes. There's lots of different species, over 250. Now, other good predators are, there's another shrill carder bee. Other good predators are ground beetles. So let's give a big cheer for ground beetles, because they are eating all the things that we want them to eat, basically, which is more than helpful when we've got a garden or a veg patch full of aphids and whitefly and all sorts of insects that are detrimental to our flowers and to our plants and our crops. Number 4 is going to be ladybirds. Now, I have done ladybirds before as a post. Please, please, please understand that we're not talking about ladybirds with spots on as a predator. We're talking about baby ladybirds. I've shown you these before. They're reasonably ugly, but I don't think so, and I hope you don't either. They're little black larvae. I always call them little dragons. So they don't look anything like a ladybird. They will eat thousands and thousands and thousands of aphids. They cannot get enough of them. To put a picture on this video, and then you'll recognize them, and don't kill them. So that was number 4. Number 3, parasitic wasps. I love parasitic wasps. They are fabulous, fantastic, and very, very exciting. In fact, I think parasitic wasps are going to be able to provide an answer to some of medical science's impossible, we can't solve this scenarios. Parasitic wasps have the ability to change the genome, the DNA, the genetics of their host plant when they're behaving in the same way as producing the galls. I've shown you those on the oak tree, and I've shown you robin's pincushion, which is an anomaly, a weird growth that happens on roses called robin's pincushion. So look into parasitic wasps. Some of them are so small you can't even see them clearly, and they are good predators. They are helping us reduce numbers of pests in our gardens. Spiders, don't underestimate spiders. Don't be afraid of them. There are so many, and they're so beautiful. Some of whom live in my hair, or my car, and my house. I really like them. Don't be afraid of them. They're wonderful, wonderful predators. And number 1 for me are lacewings. because they are just so pretty. They're just lovely. They look delicate and they're beautiful things. Tough as old boots. Eat bad pests 24/7. They are voracious. They can never get enough pests. They overwinter. Don't forget they overwinter. So if you can buy a Lacewing hibernation box, I'll put a picture and I'll share a link with you. If you can put those up in your garden, they are over and above brilliant, brilliant, making sure that in the springtime, as all the nasty pests develop and start on our gardens and on eating our plants, the lacewings come out in your garden as well to support you. So, lacewings, spiders, parasitic wasps, ladybirds, ground beetles, hoverflies, and pirate bugs. Just make sure you take care of them and don't kill them. Take care. Bye-bye.